I'm still obsessed with that sound I hear. It's a feeling I get like I ain't wanted here. My obsession for you has grown loud. This obsession for you is still around. My obsession for you slowly dying now. My obsession for you slowly dying now. I'm still obsessed with that sound of you. It's a feeling I get like I found a new you. My obsession put me in this loop. My obsession for you is switched on you. This obsession has changed since then. This obsession for you